C128 Black Bee, the only drone that gets better when you suck at flying.
Ever felt like every drone you touch ends up in pieces before the first battery dies? You're hyped for 5 seconds, then bam! Ceiling fan, dog, little sister's head. It's over. The excitement flatlines, the guilt kicks in, and the box goes straight to the graveyard drawer. Drop guilty below if you've buried more drones than you've actually flown.
Now imagine handing your kid, or your inner clumsy self, a flying toy that actually wants to be crashed. No delicate arms to snap, no exposed blades to eat fingers, just pure chaotic permission to suck at flying and still win. Picture the relief of watching it ricochet off the TV, the lamp, your face, and it just keeps buzzing like nothing happened. That's the twisted magic waiting.
Meet the C128 Black Bee, the smug little helicopter drone hybrid that flies with one giant paddle at a full roll cage like it's auditioning for Mad Max. No ailerons, no complicated tilt nonsense, just up, down, forward, spin bliss. It hovers like it's mocking gravity, bounces like a superball on Red Bull, and survives hits that would total a $300 DJI in one tap. One dad told me his twins have been yeeting this thing into walls for 6 months straight. Still zero cracks, still pure giggles. Here's the bonus trick. Fly it upside down against the ceiling for 5 seconds. It sticks there like a smug fridge magnet. Keep watching, you'll see it live.
The benefits hit different. You get 10 solid minutes of flight that feel like an hour because you're not white-knuckling the sticks in terror. Pros use it to teach throttle feel before moving to real quadcopters. One hobbyist swore, "I taught 5 friends to hover properly in one afternoon with 0 funerals." Influencers call it the indestructible gateway drug to real drones. First-timers say they were looping around the living room in under 5 minutes while laughing like maniacs. It's so forgiving, it's almost rude. Which part sounds most delicious to you? Never breaking or never having to adult while flying? Tell me below.
Stock moves stupid fast because every parent and ex-kid on Earth suddenly wants the one drone that doesn't punish enthusiasm. Join the thousands of chaotic households already buzzing instead of crying. If you're done sacrificing joy to gravity, grab the Black Bee right now and unlock the secret ceiling crawl mode that makes everyone lose their minds the first time they see it. Don't just watch. Go cause some glorious, guilt-free mayhem today.